In this video, we are going to discuss an experiment on how to identify the edible parts of various plants. So the topic we are going to take up is what is the source of food or food, where does it come from? So let's start with the experiment. What is this that you see on your screen? Yes, this is a wheat plant. So which part of this plant do you think is edible? Look at the image shown here. So you can very easily make out that yes, these are the seeds of the wheat plant. So which part of the wheat plant is edible? It is the seed. This is a maize cob, and again, as you can identify from this, the seeds are edible here also. So in case of maize also, the seed is the edible part of this plant. The third plant we are going to talk about is sugarcane. So which part of the sugarcane do you think is edible and what are the various purposes it is used for? You must have had sugarcane juice at various times, especially during the summer months, and it is truly refreshing. So yes, the stem of the sugarcane is crushed to extract that juice, which gives us comfort in the hot and sultry summers. Similarly, the sugar that we eat, the white sugar that we have in our kitchen, is also prepared using this extract or using this juice that is extracted from the stem of the sugarcane plant. So for sugarcane also, the stem is the edible part of the plant, or the stem is the part which is used as a source of food for us. Oh, this is our national flower, the lotus. And it has almost all the parts which are edible. But yes, the flower and the stem, these are the most useful parts of the lotus plant. In addition, the lotus seeds also, you must have had those white little round things which are known as makhanas. They are actually the seeds. They are prepared from the seeds of the lotus plant. What is this? Can you identify this? Yes, this is spinach. It's one of the most nutritious green leafy vegetables that we have around. And yes, the leaf is the edible part of spinach. So the green leaves that you see, this is what is used in spinach as the edible part. And who doesn't know about this? The rabbit's favorite. Yes, the carrot. We eat carrot in various forms. It can be cooked as a vegetable, it can be used to prepare sweet dish, or it can also be used to extract the carrot juice. And rich in vitamin A, this is a really healthy vegetable, and it is the root of a plant. Did you know this, that carrot is actually the root of a plant? So in case of carrot, the root is the edible part of the plant. And this is the brinjal. And what do you think it is? I would like you to try and answer this. So if you said a fruit, you are absolutely correct. So though a vegetable, but if you talk about which part of a plant it is, yes, it is the fruit of a plant. Next comes the banana, which is a favorite of almost everyone. So yes, the monkeys of course do like the bananas, but we human beings also relish it. And banana is again a fruit, and it is the fruit of the banana tree or the banana plant. Next on your screen is mustard. Now, in case of mustard, there are various parts of the plant that can be edible. We use the mustard seeds as a spice. We get mustard oil, which is extracted from these seeds. And yes, the leaves of the mustard plant, popularly known as sarson ka saag in northern part of India, is the edible part of the plant. So for mustard, we can say the seeds and the leaves, both are edible here. Next comes in coriander. It's commonly known as dhania, and the seeds as well as the leaves, they are used to add flavor to our dishes. The coriander seeds are used as a spice, and the coriander leaves, they are used as a garnish on our dishes, and also they can be used to prepare different kinds of chutneys. So yes, in case of coriander, the seeds and the leaves both are edible. Now let us fill in this observation table based on what we have discussed till now. In case of wheat, the edible part is the seed. We can also call it a grain. You can draw the sketch of the plant. I have already shown you what it looks like. In case of sugarcane, the stem is the edible part of the plant, and yes, again you can draw the sketch for yourself. So I'm not going to draw any sketches here. That is your assignment for this video. Spinach, the leaves are edible. Brinjal, the fruit is edible. Mustard, seeds as well as leaves, both are edible. For maize, it is again the seeds or the grains that are edible. Lotus, the flower, the stem and the seeds. All the three parts are edible. For carrot, it is the root that is edible. For banana, it is again the fruit that is edible. And for coriander, it is the seeds as well as the leaves that are edible. So you can take help from this observation table to draw the figures in the previous slide. So I think this will help you understand this experiment in the best possible way.